Hi there and welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to share with you tons and tons of stickers. This is Hubman and Chubgirl's Happy Mail. I've got the ultimate subscription, so this is the biggest subscription box that they have. And so I'm going to open it up. I already opened this is the outside mailer. I mean, how cute is this with the little mail truck? I mean, this is just adorable in and of itself. But let's jump right in and get to the goodies. Oh, and also it includes a grid sheet, spacing sheet for your planner or journal. So this is super handy right here. And then it says thank you with their little family. Really, really cute. Here is the main box. This is the main attraction. So if you have a subscription with them, this is what you would get with the ultimate subscription, but they have different levels. So depending on what your budget is, there's all kinds of options. Oh, this is so cute. They have a welcome card because this is actually my first subscription box with them. And so that is really nice. And I could be wrong, but I think also this journal, that's what it looks like. Let's flip it open. So this looks like it's got a dot grid, it's got well, it's a full-blown journal, it's got a bookmark, really, really nice. Looks like about, I'd say that's about 30, 35 pages, I'm just guesstimating, and it's got a cool folder at the back. Again, I think this is because this is my first box, because that wasn't listed as an item, so I think that's because it's my first box. So it's got an adorable Happy Mail is Here sticker. Trying to be kind to this because in addition to planning, I also do junk journaling. So I like to save every little goodie like this for use in my junk journal. So if you'll bear with me a second. Oops, I ripped it anyway, but I got it off mostly clean. And then open it up. Even this paper is cute. So this theme for this month, this is the April box, is the sort of spring. It's a bug theme. The title will be somewhere on here. I'll read it to you when I see it. So right off the bat, it's got this adorable pen. It's a limited edition enamel pen. It's got 2 pins. I'll take it out of the plastic so we can see it better. This is so cute. Oh, and those are on there pretty good too. Just a little note from me to you. If you wear this type of pens, they do make replacements for these little rubber metal replacements that stay on a little better so you don't lose your adorable pen. This is so, so cute. I love this. This is definitely spring. This says spring right here. So put that aside. And then I've got 2 washi tapes. Let's break into them and take a closer look. Here are the 2 washi tapes unwrapped. They are so cute. It's these sweet little bugs and all the spring flowers and butterflies. It is just so, so, so cute. I can't wait to use these. Are you a washi tape fan? I definitely am. Let me know in the comments, and also let me know how you use your washi tape. Also, if you are finding this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find the video, and I greatly appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more journaling, planning, and junk journaling, definitely hit that subscribe button so you won't miss anything new. This is a package of die-cut stickers. They're vinyl. And I have a little trouble getting this little guy up here out, but you can see him. You can see him plainly. The rest want to come out. He does not. Let me see if I can get him out. He is just really being stubborn. There we go. So there you get a better view of him. Little butterfly, so cute. Aw, sleeping ant, I guess. Little ladybug. And a little flying insect of some kind, so cute. So that was the Cute Critter, so that's the name of the set. And it's 5 die cut, I think I said 7. It's 5 die cut vinyl stickers. And then next up, we have a variety sticker pack. It says 7 assorted sticker sheets. This is like Christmas opening this box. This is really fun. It's definitely a cool subscription to have, especially if you're into any kind of journaling or planning at all. So these, I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but they have an iridescent sheen to them. Really cool. It's cute little bugs. Put this over on this side. Oh, something coming out here. And these are stickers as well with gold foil. Oh, I love these. I love the stamp style, and those have a little gold foil on those as well. And then these have that sort of washi feel to them. These are all stickers as well. And same with this. And then those will make great little headers or borders. Oh, and these are really neat. So you can put something behind them. That's really cool. Or you could just put something in the middle on top and it looks like a little photo. And then these are stickers as well that look like little postcards. Very cool. So that's that sticker set. And then next is the Cute Critters Planning Kit. So let me know in the comments what you would like to do with these stickers. If you had this set, would you use them in a planner? Would you use them in a journal? Would you use them in a junk journal? Some other use? Let me know in the comments. Definitely curious. And also, I'd love to know where you're watching from. I'm always curious about where people are watching from, like what country you're in, or if you're in the United States, if you want to share what state you're in. Just always curious where people are joining me from. Cute Critters, that's sort of a tongue twister, planner kit. So this would be really great in really any kind of planner or journal, but I definitely think this would be great, especially with this page right here for bullet journaling. I think this would be outstanding, but really any type of journal. And then you've got your month dates here and weekend and to-dos, and then your days of the week. That's great. So that's that set. And then the next set is the Cute Critters Cousin Kit. And I happen to know this is for the Hubman Cousin, which is a planner. But again, you can totally repurpose this. I do not currently own a Hubman Cousin, and I will absolutely be using this as well. So there's that page right there. Oh, I love these little icons here. Definitely need a day off. How about you? Let me know in the comments. Don't want bills due. And then these are sort of little washi tape looking type borders. And then these say to do, work, don't forget, day off, laundry, gratitude, all different types of words if you can't read them. And I just mean if they don't show up. And some more empty spaces there. And some more trackers, some more of the washi tape type, days a week and weekend. And then another sheet with days of the week and trackers and the weekend. Wow, that's got a lot to it. Oh, look at this guy. How cute. Let me see what this is. Oh, it's a little like, is it stick-it note? Yep. It's a little stick-it notepad, so it's sort of sticky where the cute little bug is, and then you've got the paper to write on behind it. That is so cute. I love that. That's going to end up in a journal too. Even though it's a stick-it note, that's definitely going to end up in one of my journals or planners. Oh, wow, this is really neat. So if this is your first time looking at this kit, you're sort of learning along with me. And if you've seen these over and over again, you're seeing it through the eyes of somebody who it's new to. So here are the April planner stickers. And again, you could use this really in any planner. I'll set those sideways, or I'll put them right here. So I know what did they go back in here. Oh, and look at these little, but now I don't know if I like these guys with the pinchers. I guess those would be good on a bad day. And those almost look like mosquitoes, but I love the ladybugs. We live in a very buggy place. We live near the beach and we live in a warm climate, so we get a lot of bugs. I love the little earthworms too. How cute. These are adorable, and I definitely love the bumblebees. How sweet. These are awesome planner stickers. I love them. These are just perfect for spring. And let me know where you live. Are you going into spring? But I know we have some people who watch from Australia, which I know you have sort of the opposite, or you do have the opposite seasons that we have here. Since we live in a warmer climate, even though we are in the US, we are already full into spring. Pollen's everywhere, blooming, everything's blooming, everything's turning that vibrant green color. We're full into spring now, even though it's pretty early, for a lot of people at least. And there are some cute die cut stickers, and they're the matte finish. I'll set the little washi tapes over and put those right under our happy caterpillar. And then let's see. So this is cool. So you've got a sleeve that on one side you can fit the planner side, and then it's got a big pocket for other stickers, and yep, another pocket on this side for so wow, you can actually fit quite a lot of stickers and then put it in I actually have a sticker book this size, so this is really nice. That's actually a nice addition as well in and of itself. And then we've got some more of these cute bugs sticker sheets. Fluttery critters. So the first one was crawly critters. This is fluttery critters. Little buggers, as opposed to buggers, I guess. And yeah, there we go. And then we've got a letter from them. That's really nice, printed on this card. That's really, oh, look at the back of the card. That is really, really, really cute. I have to say, as a first-time purchaser of this subscription kit, I am really impressed. And like I said, they have multiple different kits of different price levels. You can check on their website. It's Hubman and Chubgirl. You just Google that. It will come right up. And you can take a look at what they have and pick the kit that's right for you if you're interested, but they also have a ton of a la carte stuff on their website. If you'd like to learn more about journaling, junk journaling, and planning, definitely click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.